Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Sing-Along books. This week's phrase is mahi tahi, which is the title of this book here, our Te Reo Sing-Along book called Mahi Tahi. And mahi tahi means mahi work and tahi one. Work is one, work together, teamwork, work as a team. So that's a really good little phrase for you to add to your kete when you're talking to children or each other. My husband often says to me, mahi tahi Sharon. It's very common in our household. He doesn't say much else in te reo, but he says mahi tahi. So mahi tahi rhymes, and the T is kind of a flat one like ta. It's not tahi. Mahi tahi. Mahi tahi. All the best with using that this week. I hope you can find a way to get it into here so that you'll be able to use it just whenever you need to without even thinking. Ka kite.